too close for comfort for the goalkeeper. He knows it. Look at the expression on his face.
Kim. Dos Santos. Damjanovic. Dos Santos. Deciding to go back to his keeper. Kim. That's the right ball to play too. Important to retain possession. Dos Santos. Done well to seize upon the ball there. Damjanovic. Moving into the danger area here. Chance here. On the volley. They defended that situation really well, but they don't want to get pushed back like that again for a while. Ziku. He's got so much support. Looking the ball well. Very quick to cut the ball out. Damjanovic. That's a really good ball. He'll go for goal. Didn't even test the goalkeeper there. Saw that coming, didn't he? Pass was telegraphed, really. Some possession stats for you. They don't always tell you everything, do they?
Well, managers and coaches, they like them. They go by them these days.
It's a searching ball. Biding their time, keeping the ball. Gentle goal! He scored! Timely equaliser! It 1-1. Kim. Ziku. We've reached half-time in this one. That makes it 1-1.
Well, we've seen some real quality there, and that 45 minutes just flew by. I hope we get more of the same in the second half.
Kim. Damjanovic. Kim. Dos Santos. Back to the keeper. Kim. Asking for trouble when you lose the ball like that. Kim. Of that, did they? Trying to build some pressure. Going for goal! Keeper parries, still a chance. Real chance! Goalkeeper lays claim to it. Not short of men in the middle. Beautifully done. Dos Santos. Him. Knock it out. Him. Passed on then. Couldn't get past. They'll have to try to find a better pass than that one. They've got men over in the middle. Can he get to it? Well found. Oh, look at this! Keeper did really well there. On the ball again. Intercepted. Him. It will be interesting to see how much added time there is. Just 8 of the 90 to go. Now, what can they come up with from this throw? The game can change very quickly when the manager starts to use his substitutes. That's the idea when all's said and done. There's a chance here. Chance maybe. Oh yes, he's put it in front. Victory almost within touching distance now. That was such an important goal.
Well, they've got to keep believing that they can find a way back into this match now, because they've just conceded a late goal and they have to find the energy to get something out of it.